But it's obvious.
Want to counterpunch like Canelo Alvarez? Let's break down the drill that will make your counters second nature. Counterpunching isn't just about being reactive. It's about conditioning your body and mind to see opportunity before it even happens. This is the drill that can make that happen. In this drill, I throw either a left or right hook to the head or body. The boxer doesn't know what's coming, but they do know how to respond with a catch and precise counterpunch combination. This builds an automatic response, making counterpunching from blocks or catches instinctive. It creates the habit to react to attacks with well-timed offense. And that's what Canelo Alvarez does in the ring. He turns defense into offense on a split-second notice. Train like this with your coach, and when you're in the ring, you'll counterpunch instinctively, just like Canelo Alvarez. It's about drills. You have to create connections. You're gonna always know when you catch a left hook, you can reply with a left hook, right hand, left hook. You're going to know when you defend body shots, you can reply with an uppercut. You have to make it autonomous. You need to drill until it becomes autonomous, just like Saul Canelo Alvarez. So as we do this drill, I might say to my boxer, jab, double jab, or cross left hook. But every single time you see me strike my boxer and he defends the punch, that's when he'll reply with a set piece move. It's very important to build and strengthen the connection between your mind and your body. You need to make your mind and your body one. They need to work together instinctively. You need to make counterpunching autonomous. And the only way you can do that is by drilling it over and over again. And that's why when you see Saul Alvarez do pad work, for example, Floyd Mayweather do pad work, it's not just random punches. The coach doesn't just call out jab, random punches. It's all set piece combinations. Whether it's Mayweather on a speed pads doing a 100-punch combination, or it's Alvarez breaking down smaller combinations, defending and attacking. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more training videos, I would strongly recommend you to like the video, comment on what you liked, what you'd like to see more of, and subscribe so you can see future updates. Also, you can go to the Regal Boxing channel, check out my Regal Boxing training playlist, and you'll see a ton of different drills, training exercises which you can use in your gym to level up your boxing. Hope to see you again at Regal Boxing.